Well, you know, whenever we get a new shipment at Ladyfingers, it's a happy day. And this particular box is coming from Free Spirit, so you know what that means. So let's see. Ooh, look at this. You guys, you better get your orders in early because this is a sight to behold. This is KaffeFabrics Collective, and this is called Luscious. Can you tell why? I have several bolts here of Luscious in different colors, and in addition to that, how gorgeous is this? And in addition to that, we have, oh my, this one is magenta. This one is dark, so Luscious in dark. And this Luscious is in black. So they kind of go by the background colors to determine what they name it. And then I have these boxes here. Now let's see what's in here. It's always fun to get a surprise from FedEx, UPS, or USPS here at Ladyfingers. Oh my goodness gracious, look at this. So these are half yard packages. So if you want to get pre-cuts, these are half yards of all of the Luscious SKUs. So if you want them, come and get them at Ladyfingers. We have them here and ready to ship to you today. Thanks for watching.